Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for showing such a good support on my last two videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how to unbreak your OnePlus 7 series devices. It can be OnePlus 7, 7T, 7 Pro and 7T Pro. It works for everything. So there will be link in description below for your device. So go to that particular link and you will be taken to this XDA forum website. So after that you can click either of this link to download ROM file for your device. So mine is OnePlus 7T, so I just clicked over here. After that you can download any of this updates, as it will surely give you a software update after it if you go for any older version. So currently I'm in India, I will download this. If you are living in Europe you can download this, and otherwise if you stay in any other part of the world you can go for the global version as well. I have already downloaded it, so I won't do it again. I have already copied that file on my desktop. So after copying that file you need to extract that. So for this process to work you need to have a unlocked bootloader, and after this process I'll be shifting to my mobile. You have to connect your phone via USB cable in fastboot mode to your PC. This process will delete every data on your device, erase your phone completely and make it like a new. So make sure you have backed up everything. Let's proceed. If your bootloader is unlocked and fastboot, so all you can do is just keep holding this volume up and volume down button as well as this power key all at once until you hear a vibration. So once you hear a vibration, leave it. You can see my phone is in fastboot mode now, and connect your phone via USB to your PC. So once you have done that, come back to your PC. Okay, so once you have connected your phone via USB in fastboot mode, open this ROM file and click on this top search bar and type in CMD and click enter and type in fast boot devices. Okay, so if you see a strings of number along with fastboot beside it, that means your phone is successfully identified by your PC in fastboot mode, so you can proceed with the further process. If this doesn't happen, there will be link in description below for OEM drivers of your device, so go there and install that. After that your PC will be able to identify your device in fastboot mode. So once you have done that, just cancel it and just click on this flash all, double click on it and click on Y on your keyboard and press enter, as it asking you permission to erase everything. So once you have done that, it will take some time to install the stable ROM on your device and unbreak your device. So please be patient and don't remove your phone until the process has been done. Okay, so once your software has been flashed, your phone will automatically boot into your system. So you have to wait for some time, as your system has been flashed just now. You may see some errors while flashing your device, so don't get scared or something like sparse not found or something like that. So just ignore that, as it doesn't make any difference. Your phone will still get flashed. Okay guys, after some time your phone will boot up, and after that it will be totally completely working. You can set it up and use it like a normal device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if it helped you out, please comment down below and share it with your family and friends. Crotlin signing out.